Hello world, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a video on SLAM and navigation on the actual Turtlebot tree. In my previous videos, I've done the SLAM and navigation on a Turtlebot tree simulation. So in order to proceed, just make sure that your Turtlebot tree is switched on and connected to the same network. Once that is done, you'll open up your terminal and we'll run ROS. We'll open another terminal. You'll connect to our Turtlebot tree in order to make sure that your Turtlebot tree is up and running. You'll ping it first. So let's ping. You can see that data is being transferred. So we'll proceed ahead and SSH into our Turtlebot. Enter the password. Okay, we're connected. We'll launch the bring up on the Turtlebot tree. So you'll run a few lines. You'll start the calibration. Once it's done, it will show that the calibration has ended. Okay, so the calibration has ended. What we're going to do now is open another terminal. We're going to export the Turtlebot tree model. And we're using the burger. And we'll launch the Turtlebot tree SLAM. This will open up ROS. Okay. We just change this, make sure it's here. All right. Okay, let me just orientate ourselves. And this should be how it looks like. Okay, so I'll add the live video of the Turtlebot tree here. Okay. Once this is done, we want to control our Turtlebot tree. So let's bring up the Teleop key. We'll need to open another terminal. Export Turtlebot tree. And then we'll launch the Teleop key. So ROS launched Turtlebot tree Teleop, Turtlebot tree underscore Teleop underscore key. This will allow us to control the Turtlebot. And let me bring up the ROS. So let's just map this small custom room that I've created. Let's increase the velocity. So I'll fast forward this process so you don't have to watch the entire thing. Okay, so I've now created the map that we'll be using. So this is just a rough mapping of the custom room. Now what we're gonna do is actually save the map. So to save the map, we actually want to make sure that you save it. Let's check here. So this is the command to save the map. So we'll name this map custom map. So there you go. So once we save the map, you'll see it in your file. So here's the map. And once that is done, we can actually proceed to run the navigation. So the navigation is pretty simple. Since we already have the ROS mapped correctly, we'll just close this for now. And we can close this too. Okay. So assuming that you already have a map created, which we just did, what we can do now is to launch the navigation, export the Turtlebot tree model, and same thing, we'll run the burger, and we'll run this code. First launch Turtlebot tree navigation, Turtlebot tree navigation.launch. Map file, we'll be using the custom map. There we go. So let's put this here. Okay. Let's see. Bring us closer. Rotate accordingly. As such, do the 2D estimate, and it's facing somewhere here. And let me arrange it again. Somewhere facing like that. Arrange it one more time. Okay, looks like it's facing there. Okay, so that's how I've arranged the 2D pose. What we're going to do next is control the Turtlebot tree using Teleop key. Open a new terminal. First launch the Turtlebot tree. And you can see you can actually control the Turtlebot tree. So in live, you can see that the Turtlebot tree is moving the same as the RVs. Just bring it around. So still, I'll go one round and come back. So I'll stop the Turtlebot there. Like this one now. And we can do the 2D nav go. So let's say we want to move it to face here. Let's see. You can see that the Turtlebot tree is moving where we want it to go. Like it's having a very hard time. Let me do a simple one instead. Let's just make it go here. Now it's rotating. Let's try another one, and let's do it now. Go facing here. So what's actually going on is actually because the red areas that you see right here is where it's not trying to move into, and the blue areas are where it's safe to travel. Anywhere that's outside of this blue would be quite difficult for the Turtlebot tree to navigate to. Then a good example would be, let me say, put the Turtlebot tree right this side in the red, facing up. You'll see some issues that the Turtlebot tree will face. Like so. So now it's trying to navigate slowly so it does not collide. Another challenge it would face would be, say, asking it to move this way and facing downwards. See how close it has to navigate to the red zones, and it's sometimes having issues because it feels like it's being blocked. So it would be great if you have a bigger area which has lesser obstacles. If not, this could be actually amended in the parameters as such, like here. So you can actually change these parameters and define it in its parameter file. So I've actually showed you how to run SLAM and navigation. If you want to learn more about ROS, you can click the links below in the description. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. If you enjoy watching the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you are looking forward to more videos, do hit the subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.